In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change resolution Marvel Rivals. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly customize the resolution of your game. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to do this on PC. I cannot guarantee that this process is going to work for consoles, so keep that in mind. But if you are on PC, you just click this little settings icon before actually queuing into a game, go into these settings, and you will be able to browse through various categories. The one that we are looking for is going to be the default one. So under display, you will have resolution. In here, if you have multiple monitors, you will be able to select the one where the game will be displayed. So I like having the game on my second monitor because I'm currently recording it. And after you change the monitor, you will be able to choose between borderless windowed, full screen, or windowed. Full screen will simply use the native resolution of a specified monitor. So if my monitor was 1920 by 1080, it would default this option to 1920 by 1080, and so on. You will be able to customize the aspect ratio if needed, but usually it will be able to detect. Borderless windowed is essentially the same thing, so it is just going to use the native resolution, and it usually grays out these two options here. If you do windowed, which I do want to demonstrate even though I'm recording, you will be able to customize the resolution, and the game is going to run into this box that you can drag around, make it bigger, smaller, and so on. So you can even use your actual mouse to drag it around. You can use the maximize button, but of course this bar is going to be displayed at the top. So most people like to run on full screen or borderless windowed. These two options should also reduce the input latency to the maximum possible, so I highly recommend running in one of these two instead. Besides this, you can customize other quality options, including super resolution, where the game might try to upscale or downscale in order to give you better performance, but to keep it simple, just choose the display mode and then you will have access to the aspect ratio and resolution. I hope I was able to help you on how to change resolution Marvel Rivals. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.